Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add leading zeros on your data. So I have my examples here, codes here with a different number of digits. So we're going to add zeros before those digits, and we're going to solve it using Excel formulas, which is the REPT and LEN function, and then also in the Power Query, Text.Repeat and Text.Length, and also another option, Text.PadStart. Now, let's start with solution 1. Let's copy this code here, Control C, and then Alt ESB. Okay, now let's put new code in another column, and let's start with the rep function or the repeat function. It requires a text, so that's the character that you will be putting before the code. In our case, we're going to have zeros in double quote, and then comma. The number of times will be dependent on the set limit. So we're going to set 6 as our maximum digits minus the length of our text. So we're going to use len function for that and refer it to the code. Okay, so close it. Now we have zeros, and then we're going to add back the code that we have. So an ampersand, and then refer back to the cell which contains the code. So that's it. Enter. Now we have leading zeros before our digits. Copy and paste it. And that's it. Now let's do the same process but in the Power Query using the Text.Repeat and Text.Length. So let's choose the raw data that we have and then go to the Data tab and then from Table Range, OK. Then let's call it Solution 2. Okay. Now the first step is to change the type into a text. Replace current. Okay. Now let's add column for that. And then custom column. Again, let's use the column name new code. And then let's start with the text.repeat. Again, it requires text. That's the character that we'll be putting before the digit. So that's going to be in double quote 0. And then also the count. That is the limit that we set, which is 6 minus the length of our code. So we're going to use text.length. So that's the equivalent of len function in Excel. And then refer it to the code again, close it, and then add back the code, ampersand, and then code column. Exactly the same with the Excel function. Okay, so that's it. We have the same answer. Let's go back to the spreadsheet, close and load to, use existing worksheet. Okay. That's it. Now let's try the Text.PadStart. Again, let's go back to solution 2 here, double click that. And then let's duplicate this table. Let's call it solution 3. Okay, so let's remove the added custom and then let's maintain it as a text. Then add column, custom column. Again, let's say it's the new code. And then let's write the text.PadStart. Now it requires a text, which will be the one that we'll be editing. So that's the code column, comma, the count will be the limit that we have, which is 6 digits. In our example, 6. And then also the last one is the character, comma. We're going to put in double quote 0 for that because we're adding leading zeros on our digits. Okay, in double quote 0, close it. Okay. That's it. We have the same exact answer. Go to the spreadsheet, close and load to. Existing worksheet, put it here, okay. So let's check it so that we can see the difference between this formula. Let's say we have exactly the limit that we have, 6 digits. Okay. So for solution 1, let's copy it and then paste it and also copy the formula down. That's it, no problem. And then if we hit the data tab and then refresh all, okay, so that's it. It's also working because that's within the limit. Now if we have digits over our limit. Let's say we have 7 digits. Okay, copy again here in solution 1. Also copy the formula down. Now we have value error on our Excel formula. And also if we hit refresh all, you can see here in the text.repeat we have an error, same error as the rep and len. And then in the text.PadStart there's no error. It just copied the code that you have set. So it depends on your requirement. If your requirement is to sanitize the data that are over our limit, then you can use text.repeat or rep and len in the Excel formula so that you can isolate those numbers and then sanitize that. But if your requirement is just to have leading zeros on digits below the set limit, like 6, then you can use Text.PadStart. I'm pretty sure I'm done. If you like this video, you can subscribe in my channel. Click the subscribe button and see you next time, and thanks.